So today I'm about to show you how to switch to Zen mode in Flow.io. First, open Flowit and launch any of your active project canvases. To clear away the clutter, look at your toolbar and click the Zen mode icon, which looks like a small maximize expand square or focus ring. Alternatively, you can use the built-in keyboard shortcut by pressing Command plus on Mac or Control plus on Windows. Instantly, the sidebars, control panels, and node configurations will slide away, leaving you with completely clean canvas focused entirely on your core workflow. Pro tip: Zen mode is perfect for mapping out long-form writing or recording clear tutorial videos without any distracting background elements on your screen. And that's it. That's how to switch to Zen mode in Flow.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.